Hi, my name is Crash. I'm the creator of STRM.TOOL, and I'm going to show you how to set up your OBS WebSocket connection with STRM.TOOL. Let's get into it. All right, for STRM.TOOL to talk to OBS, we need to set up OBS WebSocket. We also communicate with other things that use OBS, like cruise control this way. So we're going to go into settings, and we're going to go to the bottom. We see OBS WebSocket connection. Now, we need to make sure that OBS has the OBS WebSocket plugin installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to download it. If you don't have it already, go to the download the latest version. Just run get the Windows installer.exe. Save file, and we run the installer. Go through the entire process. It'll automatically set everything up for OBS Studio, and there we go. WebSocket's installed. Let's now open up OBS and make sure that it's installed properly. So Tools, WebSocket Server Settings. Oh, there we go. So we have Enable WebSocket Server on server port 4444. We have authentication turned off now, but it's a good idea to turn it on. So we're just going to go PASSWORD, and that's our password. All right. And it's running. We're good. Now, let's go over to STRM.TOOL again. And we're going to enable the OBS WebSocket connection. Now, if OBS is running on the same computer that STRM.TOOL is running on, you don't need to change this address. Leave it exactly the same. Your port is 4444. Let's go back to OBS, Tools, 4444. Okay, we're good. That's set up. And remember, we put in password as a password, so we need to put that in as well. So let's switch over, and we're going to go PASSWORD, save settings. We're good. Now, if OBS is not running and you try saving the settings, you'll get an error saying that you were able to save the settings but could not connect to OBS. A quick way to check this is we go over to Broadcast Tools, OBS Command, connecting to OBS Studio, and if it connects to OBS Studio, you're good. You can see a list of your scenes and a list of your sources in each scene as well. Let's double check. So, Scene 2 has hello and red. Scene 2 has hello and red. So we're connected. So that's how you set up OBS WebSocket to have STRM.TOOL communicate directly with OBS.